Everyone, listen up. Listen up. I have an announcement to make. The COVID-19 has been defeated. We beat the virus. There's no more pandemic, and everyone is free to travel like we did before. So, with all these options around the world where you can travel, where do you go? Well, let me tell you about a little known country called Nicaragua. Nicaragua is located in Central America, and its neighbor is a little bit more well known, which you may have heard of, Costa Rica. But did you know, according to Index Mundi, that Nicaragua is 70,000 square kilometers larger than the country of Costa Rica? I personally was born in Nicaragua, so it's my pleasure to let you know more information about my country. Today, we're going to look at three major regions of Nicaragua. The three major regions are the Pacific Coast, the Northern Central Mountain region, and the Caribbean coast. The Pacific Coast is home to volcanoes and beautiful beaches. The Pacific Coast has 18 volcanoes. The San Cristobal is the largest volcano on the Pacific Coast. The Cerro Negro, according to Volcano Discovery, is the youngest volcano in Nicaragua and also in all of Central America. Nicaragua has 16 beaches on its Pacific coast. According to visitnicaragua.com, Jiquilillo Beach is the largest beach on the Pacific coast, while San Juan del Sur is the most popular beach to visit on the Pacific coast. So once we've seen the volcanoes and beaches of the Pacific coast, we can head northeast and we'll encounter a totally different part of the country. The Northern Central Mountain region. The Northern Central Mountain region has three subregions and a much cooler climate than the rest of the country. The three subregions of the Northern Central Mountain region are the Segovias region, the Matagalpa subregion, and the Jinotega subregion. The mountain region has significantly cooler climate than the rest of the country. The climate there is on average 18 degrees cooler according to weatherandclimate.com. Also, according to Equal Exchange Co-op, it's the only region of the country that has a defined rainy season. So moving along from the high, cool climates of the Northern Central Mountain region, if we move east, we move towards the Caribbean coast. So the Caribbean coast is full of many different things. The major things, it has three major reserves and it has two major islands. The three largest and most popular nature reserves on the Caribbean coast are Greenfields Nature Reserve, which is located near the port of Bluefields, the Indio Maíz Nature Reserve, which is located next to the San Juan River, the Bosawas Biosphere, which is located in the northeast part of the Caribbean coast. The Caribbean coast also has two major islands. The two major islands are Big Corn Island and Little Corn Island. Together, they're called the Corn Islands. Big Corn Island is the more popular destination of the two because it is larger and it's more inhabited. Little Corn Island is the smaller of the two islands with less people visiting every year. So now that we've seen all the regions of the country, let's zoom back out, talk about the whole country again. There are three major regions: the Pacific coast with its beaches and its the northern central mountain region, which is 3 subregions and its cool climate, and the Caribbean coast, with its beautiful islands and its nature reserves. So, now that COVID-19 has been eradicated from the planet and everyone can travel, make sure you add Nicaragua to your bucket list.